is a man's car, boy. You can't be driving this if you ain't got the man touch.
Nobody does it better.
Okay. Thanks for waiting. just swipe out. C5 Z06 LS6 Texas Speed long tube headers, Hurst short throw shifter, about 400 crank HP, manual. You know I gotta take some pics for the gram, you know that, right? All right, let's go. Oop, Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Damn it. The short throw shifter, dog. Hope bro's okay.
Show you how it's done.
Yeah. There you go. Locked in, brother, locked in. I'm trying to improve my Corvette rich guy laugh.
That's that 760 credit score laugh.
The laugh itself can co-sign for you. An 8th Street love story.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing.
It is, it is. Lovely. My child did the right thing. He didn't get into cars.
Your child is going to be financially safe for the rest of his life.
Yeah. Jesus. This is a man's car, boy. You can't be driving this if you ain't got the man touch. Lovely. You know you want to look, bro. Come on. used to the LS7. That's why they don't look at the LS6, bro. Has to be.
They're discriminatory.
Hey, man.
Getting shit right
Yeah,
now.
dude.
You ain't getting shit right now.
Bro's forearm must be huge. Let's compare. God damn, boy!
Oh,
Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god, bro! Look, bro, that's crazy.
You compare them. I swear, I'm just joking it. This is from driving.
Oh my god.
Lights.
2001. So this car is 23 years old and it looks incredible. I'm gonna leave it here, bro. See ya.
Later, man.